From Elizabethan England, let's move forward 3 centuries. In the late 1800s, Joseph Skipsey was a respected and celebrated poet. From 1889 to 1891, he and his wife Sarah Ann were co-curators of the Shakespeare Birthplace Trust. There had been 132 applications for the post. Luckily, Skipsey had friends in high places. Literary greats Bram Stoker, William Rossetti, Oscar Wilde, William Morris, and Alfred Lord Tennyson had recommended the pair. They got the position, but left after only 2 years. His letter explains his resignation. "We had not held our office for more than a few months when we discovered that not a single one of the many so-called relics on exhibition could be proved to be Shakespeare's. Nay, that the birthplace itself is a matter of grave doubt. I resigned because I lost faith. The so-called traditions and legends of the place, they are for the most part an abomination and must stink in the nostrils of every true lover of our divine poet." Joseph Skipsey. Wow.